A good evening, everyone. Just a quick update here for the Storm Tracking Center. We're getting a lot of reports, and we're actually seeing this on radar. Some heavier snow, some heavier sleet across Coleman County into southern Marshall County, but I'm also starting to see snow developing in Franklin County west of Russellville and in northern parts of Mississippi. We continue with a winter weather advisory for the overnight hours through the noon hour tomorrow. The area in white, that's the winter storm warning just to our south. And I wouldn't be surprised if sometime during the night we actually see an upgrade to a winter storm warning for Coleman County and parts of southern Marshall County, because that's where this heaviest band of moisture is starting to set up. And as we go to the radar here, going up just about 10 o'clock tonight, you can see that mixed band there in the pink, and that's the sleet and at times some heavier snowflakes, and that's kind of the transition zone. But you also see some of the moisture developing over northern Mississippi. As we go past 11:30 tonight, and this does look like it's underdoing it even right now, because we've already got some moisture over northern Mississippi. So take this forward in time. Around 1 in the morning, we're noticing the band of snow developing from Russellville through Coleman and Albertville. This is most likely going to be the area that ends up with the most snow overall. Heavier burst of snow between 2 and 3 o'clock from Russellville to Moulton, Decatur, perhaps 1 inch to 2 inches there as we go through the overnight hours. But notice how this area continues to be focused, and this blue area is the snow if you read the legend at the top. But notice also that very fine line between maybe 1 or 2 inches and nothing at all right there. Amazing how it cuts off right at the state line. Now, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., most of this is going to be gone, and we could see some sunshine out there tomorrow, and that would really be a good thing. That would help dry off some of the roads, because what's on the roads tomorrow, what melts is going to refreeze tomorrow night as temperatures drop back into the 20s. So here's our snow potential. I just updated this before 10 o'clock. Going to go about 1 to 3 in that same area. You saw the heaviest snow on Pinpoint Predictor. So from Tupelo, Russellville, Coleman, Albertville, Fort Payne, even Decatur, maybe on that fine line there. But as you go about 15 miles to the north, you run into the 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and some disappointed kids perhaps as well. But that's where the forecast looks right now. Forecast for the next 3 days continues to be extremely difficult. 35 tomorrow for the high with some morning snow, and we could have afternoon sun. I'm hoping we see that. Wednesday, chance we get some snow overnight tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday night into Thursday. And it's the Wednesday evening into Thursday morning time frame that the National Weather Service currently has a winter storm watch out for. But as I mentioned earlier, this has been a real animal to try to deal with here, and I don't think our forecast is going to be extremely accurate this far out, even considering this is a Wednesday, Thursday time frame. So please keep checking back for more changes to your ever-changing forecast.